go? Well, it's that time of the year when everyone is planning their New Year's Eve and along with that their New Year look. So girls, if you are ready with your flashy outfits, then it's time we help you with some chic, stylish and not to forget easy hairstyles to up your glamour quotient. Hi guys, मैं हूँ स्मृति और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ 3 easy hairstyles that you can rock at your New Year party. वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले हमारे बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड ऑल्सो रिंग द बेल आइकन ताकि आप हमेशा ऐसे वीडियोस अपने फीड पे देखते रहें.
So the first hairstyle is a French braid top knot. Start by picking 2 small sections of hair from the front and place it in a crisscross position. Then again, pick a small section from one side and bring it over to the other side. Repeat the same for the other side. इसी step को follow करें till you have a nice crisscross look in the front. Tug on the section so it doesn't look flat. Hair tie की मदद से उसे secure कर ले. Grab another small section from the front and start twisting it till the back. Tug on the twist to make it look fuller. Secure it with a bobby pin. Repeat the same on the other side as well. अब तीनों sections को hair tie की मदद से बांध लें. When you reach the end, pull out the hair halfway and twist the rest of the hair to create a top knot. Finally, secure it with a bobby pin. है ना ये एक perfect hairstyle to rock at the New Year's Eve party?
To make sure that my hairstyle lasts through the night, मैं अपने बालों को set करूँगी with the Tresemme compressed micro mist invisible hold natural finish extend hold level 1 hairspray. It holds the hairstyle, prevents frizz because of its humidity resistance formula and will also provide a natural finish.
The second hairstyle is a half ponytail but with a twist. Grab a small section of hair from the front and secure it with a hair tie. Then grab another section and secure the first section and the new section together with a hair tie. ये सेम स्टेप एक और बार रिपीट करें. Tug on the sections to make them look fuller. अब आखिर में हेयर स्प्रे लगा ले to keep the hairstyle in place. Isn't this an easy peasy and super chic hairstyle? The last hairstyle is a double layer ponytail. Start by combing a big section of hair and securing that with a hair tie to create a half ponytail. Keep that ponytail away and make a middle part at the back. Grab one section और उसे अच्छे से comb करें. फिर first pony को नीचे लाएं. अब दूसरे section को भी comb करें and grab both the sections together over the first ponytail. Secure it with a hair tie. You will see that you have 2 layers of ponytail. Pick a small section from the ponytail and wrap it around the hair tie to hide it. secure that with a bobby pin. Finally, finish off with a hairspray. This hairstyle is perfect for those who want to make their ponytail look longer.
तो गाइस, उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं which one was your favorite New Year Eve hairstyle. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें and subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel. Tap on the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos and I'll catch you in the next one.